In the vast expanses of our universe, one phenomenon challenges our basic intuition regarding freedom and motion. Light, a form of pure energy with absolutely no weight or mass, is famously bound by a rigid speed limit of approximately 300,000 kilometers per second. While common sense suggests that a weightless entity should be able to travel infinitely fast, physics dictates that this limit is the most fundamental rule of our reality. This speed has remained unchanged from the first second of the birth of the universe to the present day, serving as a pillar that supports everything we know about time and space. For centuries, scientists believed that speeds were simply additive. If one were to throw a ball from a moving train, its speed would be the sum of the train's velocity and the force of the throw. However, experiments eventually proved that light does not behave this way. Regardless of how fast a spaceship is moving, the light it emits will always be measured at the same constant speed. Albert Einstein revolutionized our understanding by proposing that light speed is the only true constant, meaning that time and space themselves must be flexible. To maintain this cosmic balance, time slows down and space contracts for any object in high-speed motion. This is not a mere psychological effect but a physical reality that has been verified by the precision of modern global positioning system satellites. The deeper reason for this restriction is not about the light itself, but about the preservation of causality. Scientists now understand that the speed of light is actually the maximum velocity at which information can travel. If a signal were to exceed this threshold, it would essentially move backward in time from certain perspectives, allowing an effect to occur before its cause. Such a scenario would lead to logical paradoxes where one could prevent an event that had already happened, causing the fabric of reality to unravel. Therefore, the speed limit exists to ensure that the universe remains a coherent and logical place where history follows a clear sequence. Furthermore, the speed of light is determined by the inherent properties of empty space. Research into electromagnetism revealed that a vacuum has specific physical attributes known as permittivity and permeability. The interaction of these two factors dictates the pace at which electromagnetic waves can propagate through the void. In this sense, the speed of light is the factory setting of the universe, acting as the fundamental exchange rate between the dimensions of space and time. A fascinating conclusion of this theory is that having no mass actually removes an object's freedom to choose its speed. While humans and solid objects can be stationary or move at varying velocities, anything without mass is forced to travel at exactly the speed of light from the moment of its creation. For a photon, time does not exist. From its own perspective, the journey across billions of light-years happens in a single, frozen instant. This limit ensures that the universe has depth, structure, and a history we can observe. Without the finite speed of light, the past and future would collapse into chaos, and the complex structures required for life might never have emerged. Light is not merely a traveler, it is the witness and guardian of the cosmic order.